Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe, and remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Hello, Standard 5s. Hello, boys and girls. Here's your teacher again, Mrs. Cassandra, taking you through another lesson in English. Today we'll look at verb tenses. We have already looked at what a verb is as an action word or a doing word. Now, actions don't take place at the same time. They take place at different times. So in order for us to know when an action took place, we use verb tenses. The tense of the verb tells us when the action takes place. So at our level, we are going to look at two tenses, verb tenses. We are going to look at the present tense and the past tense. Now the present tense. We usually use the present tense when we are talking about things that have happened in the present. For example, Masiho wants her money now. 2. You look beautiful. 3. It is hot today. 4. John sleeps too much. 5. School starts at 7 o'clock every morning. 6. Crocodiles live in water. 7. Seawater is salty. 8. Sam comes from Sese. 9. My mother is a nurse. 10. You are cooking today. 11. I'm walking very fast. So looking at the sentences that I've given you, all these are written in present tense. So even the verb that has been used are used or they are written in present tense. Masiho wants. So in the first example, wants. The second one, look. The third one, is. The fourth one, sleeps. The fifth one, starts. The sixth one, leave. The seventh one, is. The eighth one, comes. The ninth one, is. The 10th one, cooking. And the last one, walking. So these verbs that have been underlined are all written in present tense. Look at the table which has been written down for you here. You have been given 10 verbs which are written differently, and we have been given a letter here which has been written in present tense. What I want you to do is, I want you to copy the letter below into your book and use the table to choose the most suitable verb from the list to fill in each blank space in the letter. The first one is done for you. Let's look at the letter. It says PO Box 20,435 Savon. This letter was written on the 7th November 2019. Dear Wontley, how are you, my friend? I'm in Savon with my family. We are staying at my daddy's friend's house. So you read that letter. Where there are numbers, that is where you are going to fill in with the answers that are in that table which you are given. The first one has been done for you. Number 1 has been done for you. So you fill in the rest of the blank spaces up to number 10. That is your work for today. Exercise 2, you are given some verbs and you use one of the verb to make a sentence. Again, remember, use one verb once. There are different verbs there. So these are the following verbs that you are going to use: begins, remember, arrives, follow, cry, wear, does, takes, feels, and sleep. So for example, you can start a sentence, or you can use the word begins. The school begins at 7 o'clock every day. So I want you to write a sentence each using those verbs that we have given in present tense. Okay? Please remember your handwriting, especially when you're writing that letter. Use the format there. We'll take advantage also to write our letter according to the format that we have been given for writing our letters. Okay, that is all for now. Until the next lesson. Bye. Stay home and stay safe.